When planning your next vacation, you might be excited about finding the perfect rental that suits your needs, offers comfort, and feels like a home away from home. But once you click through to book, you may notice additional fees that weren't initially obvious. These fees can be a source of confusion or frustration if you don't know what they cover. In this blog, we'll break down the most common fees in vacation rentals so you know exactly what to expect, how to budget effectively, and why Llivo strives for transparency and value without the hidden surprises. Cleaning fees are among the most common additional costs for vacation rentals. These fees cover the cost of preparing the property before and after your stay, ensuring the place is spotless for the next guests. At Llivo, we work with hosts to ensure that cleaning fees are fair and clearly communicated, so guests understand exactly what they are paying for up front. Many vacation rental platforms add service fees to cover the operational costs of maintaining the platform, supporting guests and hosts, and offering insurance or customer support services. With Llivo, we prioritize transparency by offering a flat 12% service fee, no surprises, no hidden charges. This clear pricing approach helps guests plan their travel budgets without the unexpected costs often associated with other platforms. Security deposits are often required to protect the property owner from damages that may occur during your stay. Llivo works to ensure that guests and hosts understand the terms of security deposits clearly, fostering trust between both parties. For those traveling with pets, many vacation rentals charge a pet fee to cover the extra cleaning or potential damage that may come with furry friends. Llivo offers pet-friendly rentals, making it easier for travelers to bring their four-legged companions along. Taxes and local fees are almost always added to vacation rental bookings. Llivo helps simplify the process by clearly displaying all taxes and mandatory fees during the booking process. At Llivo, we address these concerns by making all fees clearly visible before guests confirm their bookings, allowing for an honest and straightforward experience. Visit our Llivo sign-up page today to start your journey with a platform that puts transparency first.